to what did my wondering eyes did appear but a wonderful home, and it's on Willow. It will wow you. Take a look.
Charming garden home in the Tradewinds. This home offers a spacious open floor plan featuring approximately 1,797 square feet. The living area is spacious and equipped with tile flooring and access to dining or back patio. The kitchen has lots of cabinets, granite countertops, a center island with storage, and large pantry. The owner's suite is isolated with 2 huge closets, which means no one has to share, double sinks, and separate tub and shower. Enjoy the covered back patio, great for entertaining. Low maintenance. Don't miss out on this fantastic home.
You will want to see this one in person. It's warm, it's welcoming, and it's on Willow. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.